Hello friends, I am Shagnik and I welcome you all to online learning. As you all know, Hexaware has started their off-campus process and they are hiring for PGET role, that is for 6 LPA package. As you know, Hexaware is one of those companies which have the highest growth rate in the last 2 to 3 years, and getting an opportunity to working in such a company with such a good package is a dream for many. Luckily, I am part of this organization and I'm also of the PGET role, that is the same role that is Hexaware is hiring now. I have 9 months experience in Hexaware, so I would help you in cracking this assessment or the full process, and I will help you to get selected in Hexaware. So in the whole process, first thing is resume shortlisting, and it is a very important thing. If your resume is not perfect or it is not good or it is not meeting their requirements, then you will be rejected in the first round itself. So today I am going to show you what are the main points that should be there in your resume and what are the things that you should avoid. I will show you my resume. Okay, so let us see it. Okay, this is my resume. As you can see, this is a simple resume. You can make many good resumes from different websites or app, so there everything will be ready made. You just need to add up to the details. Okay, you can do from there. And giving your photo is not mandatory. It depends on you if you're willing to give it or not. But at the starting, your name should be properly visible. Okay, and it should be in bold, and so that the first in whenever the interviewer, the person who is seeing the resume, the first focus should be given to your name. So write it in a bright way, and it should be in a bold way, and it should be properly visible. Okay, after that you can give your contact details. It could be your email and mobile. These two are mandatory. Apart from that, you can give other details also, like if you have a good LinkedIn account, then you can give it also. Okay, or other, you can also give your GitHub details, or if you have good projects in GitHub, you can also give that details also. Okay, but email and mobile is mandatory. And after that you can give it your address. You can give your address, but it is not mandatory, but it is up to you. You can give your address. So at first, initially, what you have to do, you have to give your name properly. You have to write your name properly, then you have to give your email, then you have to give your mobile. Then the objective, like why company should hire you, what qualities you have, and what you are looking in this role, or why you are suitable for this role. You can write that. Okay, and I will suggest you, whatever you write it honestly. Because suppose you have written so many things, and but it is not you, you are faking the things. So it might happen you have been shortlisted for interview, you have also cleared your aptitude round, but in interview, when the interviewer will ask you questions, he will also judge your personality. Mainly in HR round, he will judge your personality, and in HR round, he will ask such questions to check whatever you have given here, is matching the same with your answers or not. So at that moment, if he finds that the personality are not matching, then he might reject you. So I would suggest you, in objective, write only those points, or only those qualities that you actually have. Don't fake your quality. Okay, like I have written, constantly seeking to engage my knowledge to learn something useful and keep challenging myself to be a better performer in accordance to the company requirements. As I like to take challenges, so I have written this. Even in HR round, he can ask you, like what challenges you have take, why you have written this thing. like he can ask this type of thing. So whatever you write, be prepared for that. Okay, then I am a good and quick learner, team player, love to learn new things, and flexible with different technologies. It is an important point because in an organization, you can get any technology. Maybe you are good in Java, but it might happen like they can give you the role of a cloud developer. Okay, then you have to be good in AWS also. So even if you don't know that technology, you have to learn it quickly after joining the organization. So you have to write it that flexible with different technologies. So don't fake it, just write whatever is true. Then a very important point is subjects of interest. Like you have to write what you know. Okay, like the basic, you have to write at least one programming language. And for IT students or IT and CAC based students, data structure and DBMS is mandatory. Apart from this, if you know any other thing, then it is a plus point. But remember, don't write like 10 to 11 points. Like I have seen many of my friends who have written like 11 to 12 things they know. Like they know HTML, they know CSS, they know JavaScript, they know mobile technology, they know this, they know that, everything they write. And at the time of interview, what happened, whenever the interview tries to answer the tries to question you on those topics, many a times it happens like candidate cannot give that answer. So it displays a negative quality of the candidate, like he is boasting his points. So in subjects of interest, write only those subjects which you know up to intermediate level, just not the basic. You know up to the intermediate level, you have deep dived in that subject, and whatever question they will ask, you can answer 90% of those questions. Okay, so it is better to write few things than to write like 10 to 11 things and you cannot give answer. So it will give a negative impact. Okay, so write only those things which you are confident of. Okay, and if you write 10 to 11 things, it will be a pressure for you also, because when you will be preparing for interview, you have to go through each and every subject. So it's better to write only those subjects like where you are confident of and you can give the answers. Okay, then scholastic, you have to give your percent, how much percent you have got in different in class 10, class 12, and in your engineering. Okay, you can write those things. And after that, the very important thing is training or certification, because in interview they will ask mostly questions from this field. What trainings you have done, or what certifications you have done. Like subjects of interest are uh, the subjects that you have learned in your college. Apart from that, what you have done, what trainings you have done, what certifications you have done, it is a very important point. And if you have knowledge on any new technology, then it is a plus point for you. Like if you know cloud computing. Okay, if you know, like I have mentioned, ML, if you know if you have done certifications in IoT, if you have done certification in big data, then these are the very positive points. Like if this type of things are there in your resume, there are high chances of getting selected in resume round also. There will be high chances of getting selected in interview also, because if you know these topics, then interviewer will ask questions from these topics only, and if you answer those correctly, then there will be high chances of getting selected. So uh, if you have done any certification on this type of new technologies, please mention that. Okay, and even if you have not done, don't write falsely. Okay, suppose you have not done that and you thought like, oh, okay, they will not see in detail, let us write, I have done certification in Azure, I have done certification in this and that. But maybe now you will not get caught, but at the time of interview, there will be high chance that you could get rejected. So it is very good if you have done this type of certification. But even if you have not done, write the truth. Okay, don't fake yourself. I'm repeating this point again and again. Okay, then projects. What projects you have done? Okay, maybe you have done 8 to 9 projects or even 10 to 12 projects. Don't write more than 3 to 4. Okay, because they will not check each and everything. You have to write the main projects you have done, or the among 10 to 15 projects, what are the main projects you have. Okay, or what are the main projects you have done. Okay, and suppose you are in final year, and for 10% of candidates, it might be a case that they have not done any project. Okay, if you have not done any project, then please don't write anything. Again, I am telling, don't fake it. And one more important point, if you have done any project, okay, please upload it in GitHub and give it the link. Then it will again give a very positive impact in your resume. So if you give the your GitHub details, then they can click on those links and they can check your GitHub account also. So it will be a very positive impact, like you have, okay, you have done the certification, and after that you have done the project, and using that project, you have also uploaded in GitHub and you are showing it. Like, then they will be sure that yes, okay, you have done, and they will also check your GitHub. So if you are giving your GitHub account, please maintain your GitHub account properly. Okay, don't write any false statement, or don't write anything which is uh, disgrading your image. Okay, please maintain your GitHub account. And if you have done your project, I will request again all of you to upload your project in GitHub account and give the link. and and it will be very better, like if you have done any trainings or certifications, and on the basis of that, if you have done any project, then it is again a positive impact. Like if you have done ML, and with ML you have a project, so it will be a very good thing. There will be high chances of getting your resume shortlisted. Okay, and if we have done any project on new technology, modern technology, then it's a very good, like 99% chance your resume will be selected, because you have done a certification on new technology, and then you are also having a project on the new technology. Like so you know that technology, so try to do that. But even if you don't have that, no problem. But if you have, then it's a very good point. Okay, then achievements. Okay, so if you have any extraordinary achievement, then please write that. Suppose you have got first position in any competition, in a high competition in drawing, or you have participated in state level cricket, like this type of thing you can write. But suppose you have got first position in drawing competition in your locality, don't write that. Like if you have any extraordinary achievement, you have become first in drawing competition in your college, or in inter college competition you have danced and you have first, then write those type of things. Only mention extraordinary achievements. Okay, then internship, again, it plays a very vital role in getting your resume shortlisted. Even if you have done an internship which is not related to the IT field, then also you write about that, because it will show what you have learned from that internship. Like I have done marketing internship, and I have mentioned it helped to build my confidence in communication, and learned how to manage team and work with people from different parts of country. So that internship helped me. And this, how you communicate, how you manage team, or how you work in a team, this also are very important, and I have learned this thing from this marketing internship. So you can mention that. Like many people think, okay, this internship is not related to the IT field, so I will not mention that. But don't do that. Even if you have done any internship, like you have done any internship which is related to creative writing, so maybe it has helped your improve your writing. It can help in your organization also. Suppose you are writing something, it can help in organization, you don't know. Okay, so if you have learned something, or if you have done an internship, even though it is not related to IT, please mention. And if it is related to IT, then so again, it's a very good image. Your again, your interview uh, your resume will be highlighted again among hundred of resumes if you have any internship in IT field. So then like you have experience, so again your resume will be highlighted, and it will be a very good image. It will show a very good image of yourself. Okay, so if you have done any internship, just don't write like you have done this internship. Also write what you have learned there. Like for example, you have done a Python developer internship for any specific company, write that, and what you have done there, also mention that. Okay, then interest, like if you have some specific interest like in cricket, like I have written cricket or reading short stories, you can write that, but it is not mandatory. So what are the things you must write? First is your name, your contact number, that's email and mobile. Then objective, like why you should get selected in this organization. Then your subjects of interest, don't bluff, only write the true thing. Then your scholastic, how much marks you have got. Then what training or certifications you have done. Then projects, and then internships. These are the points you must have. First is name, objective, subjects of interest, scholastic, trainings or certification, projects, and internship. Then you can mention achievements if you have some extraordinary achievements, and you can mention your interest. So that's all. If you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. And this is the first video of this playlist. We will do many more videos. We will be coming with the aptitude videos. We will be coming with the communication videos. We will be coming with the coding videos. We will also do interview preparation. So please like this video, subscribe our channel, and what type of videos you need, also let me know in the comment section. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.